question in the chat on digital thinking. Design thinking. Design thinking is one approach to solve problems, and it is directly related to creativity because it's a stepwise approach where it's related to iterations, it's related to process of testing again, where you can solve a problem, mostly complex problems. So digital thinking is not used, design thinking is not used for simple problems. It's only used if there is a very complex problem. You open up or you break the complex problem into small sections, and you try to apply the concept of design thinking, which is again a specific process which is directly related to creativity for addressing each aspect of the problem in a stepwise process. And through this you will be able to come up, you can use it in any problem that you are facing. It is quite applicable.
And joining this webinar on the behalf of the organizing committee IASTM conference and IRAJ webinars. Now I'd like to thank all our sponsors and coordinators. I'd also like to thank our president. We're happy to hear your comments and compliments or suggestions at our Facebook and Twitter page. This video will be available shortly in our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe our official YouTube channel, IRAJ Conferences and Seminars, for all past and upcoming webinars and expert lectures. Thank you all. See you on another webinar soon. And joining this